everyone, welcome to or welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Taylor. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up at the end of the video if you enjoy it. And you're watching Disney Channel. Obviously, as you can see by the title of this video, we're going to be diving into a Mother's Day gift guide. If you know me, you know that I am a fan of gift giving and just gift guides in general. And I try to find things for you guys that are a little bit outside the box, not your like obvious in your face type of gifts. So if you want to check out any other of my gift guide videos, definitely check out the playlist in my description. Okay, let's get started. I want to start with a few food items that I have actually gifted in the past. First being this peanut butter sampler set. I'm allergic to peanut butter, but I know how much people love peanut butter, so this comes with a variety of different types of peanut butters. I also came across this honey sampler set. My mom in particular loves honey. She loves honeycomb. This doesn't have honeycomb in it. I'm sure you could find a honeycomb sampler as well, but this one is just on Amazon. It comes with a few different honeys. Something that I have actually gifted in the past is a charcuterie board, but this one is really cool because it's actually personalized, so you can put their initial on it. It swivels out. It comes with the knives and everything. And if you really want to go all out, you can actually gift them some cheeses, some meats, some nuts, whatever you want to do. You could gift them like a prepped board. Something that I love gifting my mom and that my mom also loves is jewelry. So I want to quickly talk about the sponsor of today's video, which is Luisa jewelry. I get compliments on my Luisa jewelry by my mom like almost all the time. So I figured this year I'm gonna gift her a few pieces by Luisa so she can start building out her collection. The quality of their pieces are amazing. Every time I wear their pieces, I get compliments. I'm actually wearing a few right now. This bracelet has been one of my all-time favorites, and there's actually a little diamond in there. So if you are willing to spend that extra money on your mom, which you definitely should, you go browse their fine jewelry collection. They have so many beautiful pieces. Mom, if you're watching this, please click off this portion of the video because I'm about to show you something that I'm gifting my mom. I know she's going to be absolutely obsessed with these hoops. She's always talking about my Luisa jewelry, so I am so excited to give her these. This is a sustainable company. This is a company that you want to invest in, and it's definitely a perfect place to shop for Mother's Day. I do have a discount code that you guys can use, but they sometimes have some awesome on-site promotions, so if that's the case, like snag it now. But if you miss the sale, you can always shop with my discount code to get some extra money off as well. Sticking to jewelry, of course, someone who has a growing jewelry collection, you might want to snag them a nice jewelry holder. I actually purchased this one from Amazon. It's just acrylic. It looks really nice in my room. It doesn't take up too much space, and you can kind of stack a lot of things on there. Back to food and drink, I came across this espresso martini maker. So pretty much it's like a cold brew maker, but for espresso martinis. So I'm sure you can infuse vodka, tequila, gin, however you like your espresso martinis. It might even be cute to get some espresso beans with this, maybe a nice martini glass, and make it a whole kit. For the non-alcoholic beverages, I came across this really nice electric tea kettle from Target. This one kind of randomly popped into my head, and that is a travel picnic basket. I thought this was the cutest thing. You can get it either in a set of 2 or set of 4, so it comes with the glassware, the silverware, the plates, and it's a backpack, and I'm pretty sure there's a cooler inside. So if your mom is a beach goer or you want to do like a little date for you guys, I feel like this is so beyond cute and very thoughtful. One thing that I have that I'm absolutely obsessed with that's outdoor related is my rocking chair. It's almost like a soccer mom rocking chair. I get so many comments on this when I'm at baseball games, out sitting by the fire. Wherever I am, I bring this chair, and people really love it. They're like, "Are you rocking?" I'm like, "Yes." So if your mom likes to sit by the fire, goes to kids' soccer games, lacrosse games, whatever, this is the perfect chair. A couple more food related items. I actually got this as a gift and I love it. I think it's the coolest thing. It is a popcorn sampler. So it comes with a couple different types of popcorn and toppers. So if you pop it at home, you have an air popper. That could also be a good little gift duo. Put some butter, olive oil, whatever you want to put on for a base, and then sprinkle those on top. Literal chef's kiss. Something that I purchased for my mom a couple years back was a food air sealing system. This is very random, but we actually came across it at Costco. I know they have a bunch of them on Amazon. Came across it and she was like, "I feel like I want one of those." And it's like an uncommon gift, and I ended up getting it for her and she loves it. It's not something that you have to use on the day-to-day, but there's so many different accessories that you can get for it. It's like a luxury kitchen tool. Here's what I'm thinking. The dynamic duo, that soccer mom chair and this outdoor wine table. table. Like, I need this summer. Is this gift guide for your mom or is it for me? I don't know. This is the coolest thing. You literally just stick it into the ground. You have little slots for your wine. You can put some snacks on there, cards, and just chill outside. Like, I love this. Diving into a few personalized items. I love personalized items, and I know that my family does too. I feel like every time I gift a personalized item, they just get so happy, and it makes me so happy. A great place to shop for these things is Etsy. I am a huge Etsy shopper. First is this personalized vase right here. I actually purchased this for my mom this year. I think it's so cute. She loves having flowers around, so I'm thinking I'll get her flowers and then have her unwrap this, and then she could put the flowers inside that, and it will say my sister and myself's name on it, so it's just thoughtful. It's a little extra something. Then I came across this one right here, definitely more on the pricier side. It's crystal, it's sketched. You can make it personalized, you can add your names on it. And then these right here, I actually almost bought these, but I kind of wanted to go a little bit more personal, but my mom just loves like little flowers. She'll just pick little flowers, and we have these little vases in our house, and I figured this would be cute too. Mother's Day is really about the flowers. I also came across this birth flower plaque. People are getting into their birth flower. I don't know my birth flower. Do you know your birth flower? Let me know in the comments down below. But I just figured this is really cute, especially if there's a lot of kids, maybe grandkids. This would be really cute if they have a garden. You could put it in the garden. I've also seen birth flower custom candles, so whether it be smelling like the birth flower or designed on the outside like the birth flower of their kids. My mom is a huge fan of birds, so I used to get her bird houses for like a few years. I would get her a birdhouse every year for Mother's Day. A lot of those you can find at TJ Maxx, but I thought this was really cool. It's a bird feeder that's actually connected to your house. So say they work from home or they have an office, they can stick it to their window door and see the little birds come in. And then another outdoor piece that I think are just gorgeous are a bird bath. Again, you can kind of find these anywhere. If you wanted to get more of a stone one, of course, go to like Home Depot, but they do have really nice ceramic ones, glass ones. Just do some digging. I will leave a couple links in the description below. Another thing that I think is really nice is getting them a herb planter. So this could be an indoor or outdoor herb planter. Who doesn't love like having basil and cilantro on hand at all times? If your mom is into tech, I definitely suggest getting a tech stand. They have so many different ones now, so something that could connect their phone, their iPad, their Apple Watch. I also highly suggest a wine subscription. I think these are so cool. So it's either like a monthly or every 3 months they'll get a delivery of wine. I actually worked with a wine company on TikTok last year or the year before, so I will leave a link to their stuff. It was awesome. I got like 6 bottles of wine and it was very reasonable. If you are gifting a new mom, I have been seeing people absolutely obsess over the Beis diaper bags. I think these are so cute. They're super aesthetic. Obviously, keep an eye out. Maybe they already have a nice diaper bag and they don't need another one. I also highly suggest checking out their makeup bags. So maybe for that more beauty lover, you could get them a nice makeup bag. I've definitely mentioned Skims pajamas in the past before. These just look so quality. I don't know why I haven't purchased them myself yet. Speaking of luxury, those reusable eye patches that everybody's using, I have some myself. You just put your favorite eye cream on them, put them on, feels like you're in a spa. And if you wanted to smell like a spa for your mom, I would invest in an oil diffuser. You can really get these anywhere. There's a lot of nicer ones that look more of like home goods aesthetic online. I think it's Vitruvi has a really nice one, but you can also get a less expensive one at TJ Maxx. I also came across this Epsom salt gift set, so if they like to take baths. And something that I feel like everyone sleeps on is experiences. My mom actually will like ask for a pedicure. She'll be like, so you don't have to get me anything. Like, I actually would love a massage, or I'd actually love a pedicure. So we would buy her something like that, or I'd actually love a facial. So I'm gonna go through a few experience suggestions. Maybe you know companies in your area, or definitely check out Groupon, but read the reviews. First, of course, being a massage, you could get them a pedicure or manicure. You could do an experience together, so maybe a candle making class or a wine tasting. And something that my mom and I actually did recently together was a pottery class. So feel it out. You know your mother best. You know what she'll enjoy. That is it for this video. Again, you guys, don't forget to shop Luisa jewelry. You do not want to miss out if they are having a sale right now. Your mom will be very pleased with the quality of their stuff and will want to continue growing her collection because their stuff is just amazing. Definitely take a scroll on their site, and don't forget to use my discount code if it's active outside of promotional periods, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.